You can't find an RV dealership that can see you in August. It's just not going to happen. Hi, my name's Lance Dauber. I live in the Seattle area currently. I retired and started an RV trip. My wife and I went out for 4 months. And while on that trip, we broke down a couple of times. So we had a friend of a friend who told me that, hey, there's this RVTAA website and you can find a tech. So I went on the website in Shelbyville, Illinois. Found a tech, he came out, fixed my problem, paid him, and went on my way. A couple of weeks later, my refrigerator broke. All the dealerships were too busy to see me. They were 6 weeks out. We are now in Wisconsin, which is a long way from home. So I have to get on Google and get on YouTube and figure out how to fix it, drive an hour and a half one way to find a part, and put it on myself. So at the end of the trip, we said to ourselves, if we're gonna keep doing this, I should learn how to fix my own. So went on Google, found NRVTA on Google, went to YouTube, and our good friends at Changing Lanes were talking about it. I said, you know what? That sounds like a good plan. So here I am, came to school and went to fundamentals, and I'm going on to certified tech, because I'm a curious person. I want to know as much as I can. This first week, I've learned that I've been doing some stuff wrong. I learned a few things that used to freak me out, no longer do, and I know how to deal with them. And since I'm here doing it, I thought, well, you know what? I have all this knowledge. I'm retired. I'm going to start a business. So I'm going to start a business, Roamin RV Tech, and I'm going to be a mobile RV tech and inspector. That's my story.